like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. And you wanna.
Morning everyone, just come back from had breakfast, just getting ready, so we head out on our cruise, swim and lunch excursion that we got booked today. Don't know where we're going, how long it's going to take to get there.
Don't know anything as usual.
Yeah, so we're just about to leave. We're all ready, aren't we?
Think so.
So we'll see you on the coach.
Yeah.
Or getting off the ship.
Yeah. See you in a minute. Costs forever to get down in the lifts.
Yeah, it did.
Make sure
Stop
you
at
leave
every
enough
floor.
time that you're not in a rush.
So finally going to get off after being in the lift for about an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, coach number 3, please.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Coach number 3.
Right, made it on the coach.
Yes.
I think there's 2 coaches for this one.
Yeah, it looks like
One's
it.
already gone.
One just left.
It must be quite a busy and popular excursion.
Yeah.
We'll find out how good it is later. But
If it's a big enough boat to take all 2 coaches and we're just hanging on the sides.
I think it must be more than one, babe. It's nice weather though.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's supposed to be like this all day.
Yeah, so
22
hopefully-
degrees up to, something like that. It's warm now.
Yeah,
So hopefully
should
we'll
be a
have
good day. Hopefully, we'll see.
We
See
shall
if it's
see.
better or worse than kayaking.
Taking a journey.
Depends how long the journey is, because sometimes that could spoil it a bit.
Yeah. We'll take you on the drive anyway, and you can see the way there, and then obviously
some
when we get there.
scenery.
Yeah.
We'll do a little montage.
Yeah. Village in the harbour. Ferries brought us over to. We're going to explore it.
Just from La Graciosa. This is the main street here. Unfortunately, the little church is closed, but it's very important for the inhabitants here because all the residents, most of them, they work or in the tourism on boats. There is some fish left. Some of them are working on Lanzarote, but as they lived here always from the fish, the little church is quite important. All the objects, what you can find in the church, these are wooden objects, and they have everything to do with the sea as well, and the fish.
We've got 45 minutes now, free time, around this little village.
Yep.
On this island, La Graciosa. It's the smallest island out of all the islands in Canaries. there's only 750 people that live there. She said also that they're only from 9 families as well, so
Yeah, it's really hot.
it's a lot of people from only a few families. Yeah, it's really hot. Yeah.
Really.
Yeah, she said it's always warmer here than it is on the mainland, Canary Islands, for some reason. It's like a nature reserve and all sorts as well, but there's no roads, it's all just sand.
Yeah, it's quite strange, isn't it?
Yeah. It's very nice. Yeah.
Nice to come and see
It
that.
does feel like a ghost town, doesn't it?
Yeah, really quiet.
There's a museum here as well, and a church. Over there, the big mountain you can see over there, or the hill, that's Lanzarote.
Spring is in the air, like a drum snare. Buds are bursting, beautiful green. It's like a love scene.
It's the island. It's the like roads that have been made out by the looks of it. 3 different roads. Made a bit of a mistake today. We forgot to bring. I forgot my wallet and Kelly forgot her purse. And I don't think they take Apple Pay here. Going on a glass bottom boat in a minute. And that's our transport for the day. Right, babe?
Hello. It's hot with this on.
Yeah. There's like a race around the harbour. They're all like speeding in now. And they're all running up the hill. There's quite a different sort of excursions to go on.
It's a nice place.
Yep.
It's a good excursion because it takes you to somewhere that you probably wouldn't come on your own.
No, you've got to go to the north of Lanzarote, to a little village, and then you get a ferry over to this little island, and then we're going on to a glass bottom boat later, which then that's our transport for the rest of the day. That takes us back to the village as well, and then round to a beach, we do some swimming, and then up back to the village and then coach home. I'll tell you what it's like when we get there.
Yeah, we'll give you a verdict at the end of the day.
Yes. Water, cold, colder than what I thought it was going to be. Right, so clear, very. Kelly's right up there. Right, in the distance, behind the boats, in between the boats. Oh, lovely little village. Absolutely stunning. Let's go for a swim. That's the boat that brings you in, that little one, from the catamaran. Over there. There's Kelly.
Right, we're at the beach. Matt's had a little swim, which you would have just seen, and now he's going in one of the kayaks. Provided with this excursion, which is quite good, and also on this excursion you get food and drink as well. It's quite a good little excursion this so far. I like it. Really beautiful day. This is where we are.
Kayaks over there that you go out on. It's been a really good excursion, this.
Really enjoying it.
Yeah. Best one we've done, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely the best one so far. Well, it's the last one actually.
Yes, the last paid one that we've done.
Definitely the best though.
Yeah, 100%.
It's just like food, drink, all included.
Yeah.
It's like organised.
And the guides are really good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Like explaining stuff all the time.
Nothing like the Tenerife one.
No.
10 times better than that.
Yeah.
Really, really good.
Yeah,
Going to enjoy our last little bit of time here.
Yeah, a bit of sunbathing, catch some rays, and head back to the boat. Yeah. So we've got the last boat back, haven't we?
Yeah, last one.
Last one. So it's just private for us, 6.
6 people.
Yeah. Alright, just got back from the beach, haven't we? Got pasta. They done paella, or if you didn't want that, they had pasta, so that was quite handy for us. Get a bit of bread, some fruit, banana, and a drink. So, this is where we've been today. There's a few boats turning up down here. Got this little beach right here. It's been absolutely amazing. Right next to Lanzarote over there. Little captain's with all his camera and gear. And zoom around and there's Kelly on her phone. Boat we just got off, let's take us around. Little islands. This is our group, and this is a group that we spent the day with. All these lovely people.
So there we are, on the right hand side you can see, we will see it more clearer now. There is this lava river going down towards Arrecife. It's not even 10 minutes left now to reach the harbor. You will see your boat in a couple of minutes, maybe less. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the ride, and Soon we'll be back there at the harbour.
Kelly's just putting our shoes away and having a tidy up. Pulled the chair out from underneath the like the desk area in the lounge bit, and she found something on the floor. Just show you. So basically, she's just cleaning out. I had a couple of pairs of shoes under there, so she's just tidying out. Back there is someone's tooth. It's got like blood on it and that. It just makes me feel sick. It's disgusting.
Why is it in our room?
Why is it in our room? Yeah.
I don't really want to get the cabin steward into trouble.
No, we don't want to get it because she's a really nice girl. But I mean, there shouldn't really be someone's tooth in our room, should there?
Obviously we'd complain straight away, but I don't want her to get into trouble.
No, so we're not sure what to do at the moment. We're deciding what to do. Yeah, there you go. Just for a future reference, check underneath your table, see if there's any teeth under there.
Nice little bit of footage for you.
It'd been alright if it was gold, but it's not. So yeah, it's quite rank.
Just thought
really.
to let you all know.
Just
We do
thought
put
you know.
random stuff on.
We do put random stuff on, yeah. We just thought to let you know. Check underneath your tables for teeth.
Right, evening. It's now 7:15. We came back from the excursion and back to the room, and then I decided that I was going to start packing all of the dirty washing and bits that we've bought en route through the Canaries, because the room was looking really, really messy, and I thought I can't live with it like this for another week, so I decided to give it a good tidy up. So I feel much better now. It's all tidy, much better, much better. So we're ready to go out. We're not sure where we're going yet. We'll decide once we're out, as usual. Matt's just getting ready, putting on his aftershave. And yeah, I was going to show you where I found as well to put my shoes. Found a new spot. Right, here's the spot. They're not just mine, they're Matt's as well. Yeah. So that's where I'm putting my shoes, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Right, should we go?
Yeah. You ready?
Yes.
Right, so we've got a little bit of sun today.
Yeah, a little bit, colour.
Yeah. Right, let's go out.
See you in a minute. Right, we decided to come tonight to... Which one are we in, babe? Pal? Coral?
Opal? I don't know.
No, not in the Opal. We're in... oh no, we're in the Pal. We're in the Pal. Yeah. And we've ordered, and we've got starters.
Asian platter or something.
Asian platter, yeah. It's like onion bhaji, samosa. I don't know what else it is.
No.
Looks really nice though. Smells really nice. What are you going to say?
Said it's the only option, so...
It's the only option, yeah.
Read it properly.
No,
Just
it's the only
yeah, we'll
option,
have
but
that.
it's a really nice option.
Yeah.
And Kelly's eating it. What does it taste like? Nice. That's a good verdict from Kelly.
But, did you say what we was having for main?
No.
Gnocchi, broccoli and
Onion
onion.
and the sauce.
And this, can't remember what the sauce is.
No,
But
it's like, it's a bit mushroomy, doesn't it?
Yeah, so I think so. It's nice, but there's not much broccoli or muff or that, but it's nice.
But
Nice flavour. We waited about 40 minutes for it to arrive.
yeah,
That's the only problem.
yeah, which is a bit weird really, because everyone around us was getting their mains and that. He kept on coming over saying, oh, "I'm sorry, it's really busy tonight."
No, but it's here now.
It's here now though, and it tastes really nice.
So it's good. But
Very weird.
very strange.
Yeah. Waited ages.
Hi.
Hi.
Right, so last time we filmed was dinner, which we waited 40 minutes for.
Yep.
So we didn't have pudding.
Yep.
We just rushed off at the end.
And then we went to
Theatre.
theatre. I nearly said clubhouse, but we went to theatre first.
Went to theatre to see Illusion.
Oh yeah.
Classic
Right,
magician
yeah.
stuff. And then
Right.
there was a few illusions which were good.
Really, really good. Yeah.
Yeah. There's a bit of both.
Yeah, so it was a good show though.
It was definitely good.
Yeah.
There was
definitely
some
worth
that
going
was
to
a bit
see.
cheesy.
Yeah, it was just like old school, like rings that go together and
A bit old school, but
Yeah.
it was still good.
yeah.
And then we went to Clubhouse to see the comedian,
John Ryan.
John Ryan.
He was really funny.
Yeah, he was funny. If
Really,
you don't
really.
get offended, then he was funny.
Yeah. Well, that's what comedians are, isn't it? You shouldn't be offended because it's jokes. But it was really
Jokes,
good.
innit?
It was all jokes. But it was really
Anyway,
good, wasn't he?
yeah.
We liked that.
So anyway, that's the end of our day.
We went down to reception,
Reception.
and since we've come back, they've cleaned all our room.
Our room's spotless.
Like, absolutely spotless.
And they've cleaned everywhere, the bathroom, everything.
Yeah.
Disinfected, I think, the room.
Yeah, it just
But
looks
still-
really, really clean.
But
But
still
then,
doesn't make up for finding a tooth in your room.
no, but then we also found... That's how it was, yeah, when we got back, like
Yeah.
that. But that's not ours.
It's
That's not
actually-
ours either, so they just like...
Left it on the side. And that's another sick thing now. That's
Yeah.
not ours in the room.
Yeah, a hair brand that don't belong to either
I
of
don't
us.
have brown hair, blonde. So
No.
I don't have brown hair bands.
So,
So we're getting the head, like, what do you
room
call them?
service
Room domestic
Yeah.
team or whatever.
he's
come
coming
and
to
have a
have a
meeting
chat
with
with
us.
us in the morning at 9:30
Yeah, because
about the tooth.
yeah,
And obviously then we can show them there's like a hairband that has also been left in here
Yeah.
from like whoever
we need
was
to have a
here
chat
before.
with him because obviously it's not acceptable to have someone's tooth in your room
No,
with
definitely
COVID.
not.
Hasn't been cleaned
Especially like if
properly,
you touch it thinking it's a nut.
like I did.
And it's not a nut, it's a
I
tooth.
thought it was a bit of macadamia because Matt's been munching on them since we got
Yeah,
them.
and it weren't a macadamia.
It was
I
a tooth
tasted
with
it,
all
it was a
blood
tooth.
around the top of it.
No. Yeah, so they're coming to see
Anyway,
us in the morning.
yeah. Anyway,
We can discuss the tooth and the hairband now.
yeah,
A little extra thing. But it's been a good night, innit?
yeah.
We had
Had a
nice
few
meal
wines
everything,
and Matt had a few
wines,
beers
yeah.
and that.
Clubhouse was really good with the
Yeah.
comedian at the end. Clock's going forward tonight as well, so we lose an hour's sleep tonight.
Yeah, we've got to put the clocks forward.
And it's a sea day tomorrow, so we'll see you tomorrow.
Oh yeah, it's a sea day, so we can chill out a bit. But we've
Yeah.
got that meeting with Matey at 9:30, and then well, we're supposed to be trying to go to the gym, but I don't know if I'll bother. It's too much to fit in. And then we hope it's going to be sunny, so we can do
Some sunbathing and stuff.
Yeah.
So
So
anyway,
we'll see you in the morning.
thanks for watching,
Yeah, please subscribe. Do you remember how to do it? Click
Yeah.
that subscribe button.
and we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, see you in
See
the
you
next
later.
one.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.